guys, Shotgun here, and today I'm just doing a really short video on how to build these two weapons here, my minigun and my double barrel shotgun. They're both really easy to make, so let's get into the minigun first off. And also, this, I don't even know where I found this. It isn't Lego, but it's a pretty cool weapon. So, just getting all the pieces off. Oh yeah, and also, sorry that I wasn't recording for like a week or so because I didn't have any Wi-Fi to post my videos. So these are all the pieces you're going to need. It's really simple. So first get a kind of brick with studs on all sides, and get a kind of T-shaped pin, and then you put it on the side so that the back of it is facing out like that. If you want, you can push it down all the way in. I don't push it down all the way in though. Then you have to get don't even know what you would actually call that, and clip it on sideways onto the bottom of it. Don't make it so that it's going out in front, or otherwise the barrel won't work. Then get two, they can be any colour, but flat one stud, circular plates, and get a Technic connector piece, join it up with a matching colour cylinder piece, so it's like that, and then put that on there, so you've got a little minigun. It kind of looks like a leaf blower as well, but still think it's a pretty cool gun. Now let's get into the double barrel shotgun. You are going to need like some blue tack or some kind of sticky putty for this, so get a Lego binoculars piece and attach it and get some blue tack, kind of smother it all over it, then push it into a Lego Technic. Oh God almighty, why am I dropping all the pieces? A Lego Technic. This is actually only a 3, if you count the blue tack, 4-piece build. Then get a Lego like kind of connector clip bit, or a crank piece, but the bit has to be going this way, not the other way, or it won't work. This is the clever part. So get so that it's like this. Get that. Push it in. And also, let me just say, this is going up on my other channel as well, because any Lego videos, I'm going to post them on my other channel as well. So you should have something that looks a bit like that, and you're probably thinking, where's the handle? Well, get a kind of old school pistol piece, stick it into the back of the Technic piece, and there you go, you've got a double barrel shotgun. I saw this in a different video, this Lego Team Fortress video that I was watching, and I knew how to make this design because I saw all the pieces and I was like, oh, you know what, I can make that. But the binoculars were too loose, so I just stuck some blue tack on. You can have it without the blue tack, but I would just keep it with blue tack. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.